Charmea, first of all, bakit ka dumalo dito sa anti-doping education seminar kanina? Ano ang purpose ng pagbisita ninyo?
Opo, isa po kasi ako sa mga delegate for Jiu-Jitsu show. So, we were invited to attend this seminar para mas maging aware po kami sa rules when it comes to doping and also yung mga other seminars nga na which we could use as an instrument sa journey namin towards SEA Games.
Oh, by the way, you actually going to join the SEA Games sa show event na rin. So, how did you get there? Paano ka nagtatrain para dito sa SEA Games? Kasi nakakapanibago para sa'yo na ito yata yung first time na mag-SEA Games ka?
Ay, hindi po. For show, it's my first time. Pero before, I played in Courage
Oo.
in Hanoi.
Preparations.
Nag-start, so these SEA Games po kasi hindi included yung Courage. And thankful po kasi biglang nagkaroon ng opportunity which is yung Jiu-Jitsu show. And then we tried to try out. And then thankfully po, in-accept naman po kami ng mga coaches. And yung throw naman po, kaya we already know yung throw namin, ginamit po ng mga coaches namin yung strengths namin, which is yung throwing, and eventually tinuruan na rin po nila kami ng mga striking, yung punching, kicking, and everything para po magamit yun for our show.
Okay, so sino mga kasama nyo dun sa show event?
So for ngayon po, madami po kami, pero yung partner ko for show is si Helen Aclopen.
Si Ellen Acopen, yung fellow na rin na Courage athlete na rin, na matagal natin nakasama niyo yun. So, with kulang-kulang mga 3 or 2 weeks na lang bago yung mismong SEA Games, ano ba mga assurance or expectations coming from you? Dahil bago ka pa lang sa Jiu-Jitsu show, alam mo naman, pag bagong event, nakakapanibago talaga ang feeling na makapaglaro nga. At of course, kahit pa paano, pag-sapalaran ka rin laban sa iba't ibang mga kalahok natin from the ASEAN region. Ano ang expectations nyo?
So, ang expectation naman po namin for this SEA Games is for us to be able to play well, to produce yung kung ano yung pinag-prepare namin yung training session namin, the whole team. And we expect na at the end of SEA Games, yun nga magagawa namin yung best namin. And mailalabas namin yung pinag-ensayuhan namin.
Okay, Charmea, update ulit kita pag dating ng competition. May mga gusto kayong pasalamatan at panawagan na rin sa lahat ng mga kababayan na suporta ng ating team.
Thank you po sa mga coaches namin, so ST, Coach Rick, Marian, and also yung mga other teammates namin who are there, who are helping us to prepare in this SEA Games. And also I also want to thank yung Jiu-Jitsu Federation for accepting us to be part of your team for SEA Games, and also for the Courage Federation. Thank you so much for letting us play in this and for allowing us to venture out and to try different sports.
Thank you, Charmea. Good luck and God bless and congrats. And see you sa SEA Games.
Thank you.